575. Woo! 622. Woo! Just a good way to start off a video. 600 horsepower Subaru. Who doesn't enjoy that? Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We are back at UPP, and today is dyno day. I just think it'd be really awesome to start off the day, you know, with a 600 horsepower Subaru on the dyno. But we're gonna see how this all goes today. I want to shoot for 300 to the wheels. Right now it's making 380 on the previous tune. It got dynoed by the previous owner. I want to tone it down just a bit because I don't want to blow up my engine. So we're gonna talk to Graham, the tuning guy, and see what we can do. I'd like to get rev matching, maybe two-step like anti-lag or launch control. Not 100% sure where I want to go with that. See if there is a way I can get two maps, but we'll see how the day ends. I'm gonna pick this video back up once my car gets back on the dyno and it gets all set up, and we'll just go from there.
Compare it to every other car out on the road. Not every other car is making 350 wheel horsepower.
Yeah. I guess we could pull it forward. Okay, so now we're just getting the car all strapped up. We were just talking about a few things about the car that I didn't even know what they put on there, and it looks like all the parts that are on my car right now for engine wise are really good, which is super exciting to hear. He's thinking somewhere about the ballpark what I was thinking, maybe somewhere between, like, 320, 380, that ballpark. We'll see what he comes up with. I trust him, and he's probably going to do a really good job. But the car's going to hopefully make some good power, and we have a good tune, and we actually start, having fun with this car, and I'll be afraid to drive it throughout the next season. Next shot, this car's gonna do some dyno runs. Let's see what happens. So first tune, first run.
First revision.
Yes, 344, and then we have 225 torque. So I didn't show you guys that run because he was dealing with a lot of different things, but hopefully for a first run, that was pretty good. So we're gonna see where it goes on from now. I'm really excited to see where this thing's gonna go. So the problem we're having is that we're not able to find a boost controller on my car. So they're thinking that there was one and maybe got removed, or they just cannot find it on the car. So right now I'm making 7.5 pounds of boost. It made 344 horsepower, which is great. Like that's not a bad number. I'm okay with that. But the concern is not having a boost controller, and wonder why they didn't ever install one that was like that. So he's kind of looking around, see if he can find it. Looks like they think there was one on there and then got removed for whatever reason, but hopefully we can find it and we can turn the boost up just a little bit and make a little more power. But I'm actually quite happy about making 344 horsepower, but we're going to tune it up a little bit better, make sure it's everything's all right, make it a little more rich on the higher end things, and we're going to go from there. So let's see what happens. So we got down to 336. 341. Nice. Nice. That looks good. Looks pretty good to me. That one made it. 339, all right. The torque staying about the same.
I think we're pretty much there. It just really likes my base map.
Yeah?
You know, I spent a lot of time getting this perfect. This is kind of like my turbo starting map.
Got it.
And dude, it just works.
Yeah, dude, it looks great.
I play with the timing a little up and down to see if yours wants more or wants less, and it's really happy where it's at. So
cool.
I got the fueling dialed in. It runs, you know, about mid 12s down to about 12.0 on the 85. Fuel correction is damn near 0. Like I said, you got the full-time closed loops. This thing's always going to try to keep that AFR kind of in the, you know, low 12s down to about 12.0 on the 85.
Sweet.
If you ever see it somewhere else, it means something funky's going on, and the ECU can't compensate enough.
Got it. Okay.
But I like what I see. It looks really good.
Awesome, man.
So we'll leave her here.
Sweet.
And off like that.
All right, so I'm super happy with it. It's at about 340 horsepower right now, about 260 foot-pounds of torque. I am super happy with it. I know it's going to be a safe tune. Pretty much every run we did was just about the same curve. The first run was a little bit higher because the engine's cold and it's going to make a little more power. But you know, I'm super stoked. So huge shout out to Graham. I know he loves doing these cars, and he did a great tune, and I'm super happy to drive it. Shout out to, you know, Under Pressure Power and Performance for getting my shit done yesterday and at a very small time frame. So huge shout out to them, and huge shout out to you know, Revolution's Performance, who put the RP400 kit. That's their in-house kit. My tuner said it's you know, a great kit. Everything runs really well. So I am super stoked to see how this car does on the road, and see what it feels like with a new tune and everything. I'm super excited. I think I do need to get probably a boost controller on it of some sort. Me and Graham will probably figure that out down the road, so we can kind of turn up the boost a little bit, because I think we can get a little more power out of there. But you know, I'm super excited. So I'll probably give you guys some of my reactions when I start driving this car, probably back home, and I'm stoked. Damn, look at that booty. It's not like starting up. Ruh-roh. Uh-oh. Looks like we're having a bit of a starting issue or staying idle. I don't know what's going on right now. Looks like he's getting a little irritated on it though. Holy fuck, that was loud, but it sounds so fucking good. How can you not love that? That sounds fucking great. I'm so happy. So fucking happy. So I just want to do like a recap of this. So after, it's basically 2 days after from getting the tune, basically we're still having like a dying issue especially from starting up. Sometimes we'll start it up and it's great, and then it'll go boom, die, and then you'll keep trying to like start your car right, and it'll just die again. So it's super frustrating. Apparently with this FA20, with not originally being turbocharged, it is difficult to get the port and direct injections to cooperate and things of that sort. So we'll get that figured out. Even like today, for whatever reason, I got like a misfire code. It didn't give me like a specific cylinder, it just gave me like a general misfire code, which is, a little concerning. But other than that, I mean, besides these like little small problems that we're having with the engine and such, the car is running amazing. Like, it's never felt this great. I don't have that weird Subaru chatter when I get in the boost. It feels amazing. And so huge shout out to Graham. He's always been willing to help me out to make sure that my tuning is good. So the car feels amazing. For 340 wheel horsepower, it feels great. It gets in a boost great. It keeps its AFR ratios in line, and I couldn't be more happier. So if anybody's looking for B or Z86 boosted boosting their cars and such like that and need a good tune, I'd 100% recommend it. It is a night and day difference between the old tune and the new tune, besides us having these little small issues and things of that sort. But hope you guys all enjoy the video. I was super excited. It seems like I just got done. I'm currently editing it right now. So hope you guys all enjoy the rest of your day. My name is Wes. I'm out. Deuce.